Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a good minute since you guys have seen me, but I am back today with this Valentine's Day look. In this video I did kind of go over where I've been and why I haven't really been uploading, but yeah, thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel, and or if you're new, then welcome. But thank you guys so much for coming back, and yeah, make sure you go ahead and keep watching. Hey y'all, so I know you haven't seen me in a minute, but y'all, I recorded a detailed video explaining to y'all where I've been, and I went back and watched it, and I feel like it was just so all over the place. So I'm gonna try this again. Before we talk about that, today's video is just over this burgundy, really basic burgundy smoky eye. I don't want to do anything too extra. Yeah, I really feel like my taste in makeup is changing. It's kind of weird. I'm using this Fenty concealer. Yeah, I don't mind my nail. It broke the other day, but this one is in the shade 380. But yeah, my taste in makeup is kind of changing. I feel like I'm not really into like the whole like multicolored neon type of makeup anymore. Don't get me wrong though, I'm gonna still record my dramatic looks, but I would throw a little shade. I ain't gonna say who, but there were some other beauty influencers saying that we were too old to be wearing color on our lids. And listen, if you can't work with color, then just say that. That's all you gotta say. Like, you're not finna bash color, because y'all, that right there take a whole different type of talent. Not saying, you know, if you just do natural looks or whatever, then you aren't talented, but to work with them colors, to blend them colors, yeah, that's talent. So don't come for us. I started in December, and honestly, truthfully, for my field of study, I would have to go back to school, and I'm just not. I'm not really ready to go back. I'm just not ready to go back. Yeah, I'm gonna use the Warrior 2 from Juvia's Place. I honestly didn't enjoy school. I feel like I should do a college video for y'all, because to make a long story short, sis, if you're thinking about, or whoever, if you're thinking about going out to school, please go, because I be regretting not going off sometimes. I feel like I didn't get the full college experience because I stayed at home. But at the same time, if you want to stay home or you have to for whatever reason, don't feel bad. But if you can't go out, go. Just go. Run. After I graduated, y'all, it's like this light just went off on my head. I can't even snap with his hand. And I just had to find me a job, because YouTube, I want to do YouTube full-time eventually. I still have so much hope and like faith in my channel, but YouTube just wasn't getting me where I needed to be at the time. It could have if I had never fell off with recording, because y'all know at one point I was, you know, uploading 3 times a week. And yeah, I don't know why I chose this little bitty brush. And then I gotta get out of here, y'all. I gotta move. I need my own place, because this here, no shade to my family, but baby, this ain't it no more. I switched to E17. I don't even know if I showed y'all what I was using the first time. What is this? This is from the Nikita Dragon brush set. It's the M1. It's like a smudger brush. That's what I was using, but it's just too small, so I switched to E17. When I started working, I just didn't have time to like really record anymore. I still barely have time to record. I'll just be having to fit it in now. But I worked 10 hours a day. And it really is not that bad. It may sound bad, but it's not bad. Yeah, that's where most of my time goes now. I just wanted to, I feel like I need to rebrand my channel. I need to just change, like just new everything. And I can't do that here. So your girl gotta get out of here. But my thing is, I don't wanna move into an apartment, because I don't wanna pay rent, because why pay somebody monthly to stay on their property when you can just get your own? But that's also not as easy as it sounds, because what if I decide I want to get out here and then don't even want to live here no more? Now, I don't even know exactly where I would move to if I wanted to actually move out of state. So yeah, I'm just kind of figuring life out right now. Then we're gonna go inside Jaclyn Hill volume 2. I'm gonna take this color down here at the bottom. I don't really got much to like say like about as far as life. I literally just go to work now. That's pretty much what I've been doing. Saving, trying to do better with my money, y'all, because it ain't nothing to touch money, but when it comes to saving it, I just be like, oh yeah, I want that, or I've been wanting that for a minute. Like, I'm gonna get paid again this week, or you know, like my spending habits have not always been the best, so I'm trying to do better with that. I'm sorry if y'all hear the heat coming on. Yeah, I'm just trying to do better. I'm just trying to better myself, because I feel like I'm so behind in certain like categories of life, if that's a thing. Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna pack that over my lid to make my actual lid look a little darker. I was saying like a few days ago, I don't even watch makeup tutorials for anymore, so it's like I don't watch them, so what's the point of me like still uploading them? I mean, I will, but you know, not as often. I just kind of want to branch off and start doing something else. Like, I want my channel to just have like a variety of different types of content. Like, I want to be able to just vlog and throw up a random spa day or something, like something. But yeah, I noticed that a lot of people are more in tune to vlogs anyway, or they're more in tune with vlogs anyway, and I personally like vlogs better too. So but yeah, that's pretty much all that's been going on. Is working. I got hired in like the end of December, and that's why y'all really haven't seen me since, because my job gets more time than I wanted to. I feel like I sound a little sick. Like, am I tripping? I'm using the Anastasia what is this called, Luminous Foundation in 440C. And I'm gonna mix some of this. I'm using it like this because my pump is broken, but this is Milani foundation in the shade Nutmeg. But on a good note, you guys, I have been getting booked. If y'all didn't know, I do client makeup. I might eventually start recording more of that, if that's what y'all want to see. Yeah, somebody told me they don't like me talking in my videos. I was like, okay, that's fine, because I'm not a huge talker anyway. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer. I'm gonna use Butterscotch first and then Golden. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place setting powder, because I've never used this. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze. We're gonna go in with some eyeliner. I was putting on my mascara earlier and I literally scraped my eye with the wand. And I'm trying to see, do y'all see like this dark spot right here, or I'm tripping? I can't tell if I'm just tripping on it.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Okay, you guys, so that completes today's tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys stay on the lookout for my giveaway video. I'm about to record it right now, actually, so it should be up. You might see it before this one, I don't know, but make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And I love you guys. We'll see you in my next one.